What's growing on, gardeners? On today's video, I'm going to show you all a foolproof way to grow perfect carrots. If you have struggled growing carrots in the past, this is the video you've been waiting for. The reason why so many gardeners struggle to grow carrots is because they require very light, loamy soil. If you have heavy soil, dense soil, rocky soil, you will probably get low quality carrots because they struggle to grow nice and straight unless your soil is very loose and fast draining. If you have a heavy, rocky, or dense soil, chances are you'll get really funny looking, ugly, kinked carrots. And that's because carrots can often grow to be 6 to 8 inches long. So in order to have beautiful carrots, you need at least 8 to 10 inches of perfect, light, loamy, well-draining soil. Now, a simple way around this whole problem is to just build yourself deep raised garden beds. My raised garden beds are 18 inches deep. And if you fill these raised garden beds with a light, loamy, well-draining mix and grow your carrots in there, chances are you are going to get some absolutely fantastic looking, perfectly straight carrots. And that technique can give you perfect carrots like you see right here. But what happens if you don't have the room or the money to build a whole bunch of really deep raised garden beds and fill them full of very fast draining mix? Because deep raised garden beds take up a lot of space and they can be very expensive to build and fill. The simple way is to just grow them in grow bags. Walking past the dead winter wreckage that was once my summer container garden, you will find one container that is still alive and looking beautiful, and it is full of carrots. Earlier in the year, I showed you that growing carrots in 20-gallon fabric grow bags is the perfect alternative if you don't have deep raised garden beds or light, loose soil, because you can buy these 20-gallon grow bags for only about $3 a piece, and then fill them full of basic potting mix, and it is the perfect growing area to sow carrots in a tight space or if you don't have a big budget. I'll link to that video both above and down in the video description if you want to see how I planted all of these carrots. This video is going to be the follow-up proof of concept. Now, if memory serves, these carrots were planted over a month behind those that were growing in my raised garden bed. So they are not nearly as big. However, I was looking through them today and I saw that some of the carrots are just starting to bulb or form some large roots. So let's pull one of these carrots right here. And look at that. I probably could have let it go for another week, but that is basically a perfectly straight, beautiful carrot grown in basically a $2.50 grow bag. So let's compare the carrot that I just harvested in that grow bag right here to the 3 I just pulled out of my deep raised bed. And if you put them side by side, you will see all of the carrots are pretty much perfect. They are beautiful, kink-free, and I'm sure that they taste absolutely delicious. That's because carrots that reach maturity when it's very cold outside have the highest possible sugar content. And believe it or not, these carrots have already been through multiple 18-degree nights with no protection at all, and they sailed through the freezes completely unharmed. Absolutely delicious, sweet as honey, and you can't fake that crunch. These babies are just spectacular. So if you've struggled with growing ugly, deformed, and misshapen carrots in the past and growing them in deep raised garden beds isn't an option, try growing them in 20-gallon or larger fabric grow bags as a very affordable, space-saving alternative. For your convenience, I'll place direct links down in the video description to some of my favorite grow bags. I recommend the 20-gallon or larger size. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.